top salsas and hot sauces for each of you. Also, ever bottle or can your own creations?
I always buy it from Costco,
Salsa,
but I
yeah.
always look at the ingredients in salsas because some salsas are going to have canola oil, soybean oil in it. They'll have sugar added into it. So always when you're buying salsa, look at the ingredients. So the stuff that I buy from Costco is an organic one, and it's all natural, whole foods. So there's nothing else in there. Hot sauces. I like sriracha. I haven't used sriracha on its own in a little bit because I've actually buy it in a mustard form now. There's a mustard sriracha, which is...
You use that all the time.
I always use mustard on my stuff. If I'm putting mustard on it, I might as well have the sriracha in it already.
Yeah, I've never made my own hot sauce. I have made my own salsa. We're gonna start by taking that red onion and cutting it in half. You can go ahead and throw those quarters into the Cuisinart. Cut the tomatoes into quarters and throw them in with the onion. Take 1 clove of garlic. Once you've got the skin off, throw the entire thing into the blender. Take the small tomatoes and then you can go ahead and throw them in whole right into the blender. In goes the handful of cilantro. Slice your lime in half, extract the juice. Pour the entire juice from 1 lime in with the mix. And then with the jalapeno pepper, you can slice it into smaller pieces. You can remove the seeds or you can just leave them in. Take about a pinch of the pink Himalayan salt and toss that in. Also add about a half a teaspoon of the fresh cracked pepper. Pulse it. This is our fresh homemade salsa. You know, we're putting salsa on everything constantly, and we're usually just buying the cleanest one we can find at the grocery store, but nothing's cleaner or fresher than salsa that you make at home in your own kitchen. So we hope you'll enjoy this one. This is a 0-calorie condiment that you can go crazy with and enjoy the heck out of it. Adds tons of flavor and a little bit of punch to all your healthy Live Lean meals. But I've also made my own like tomato marinara sauce. I'm not a real like spicy food lover.
Yeah, I never used to be, but then I started and I love it now.
Yeah, you do use that sriracha mustard a lot. I would say that your favorites are the same as mine. And when we're talking about the ingredients being really clean on this stuff, when you're buying it frequently and regularly and it's in your diet all the time, that's why it's so important to have like no sugar, no canola oil and stuff. But when you're eating out and stuff, don't like freak out about it. You know, you don't have to be like so particular about things when they're once in a while, but when it's like a staple in your diet, that's when it matters.
Yeah.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I